multicam editing feature in Final Cut is a significant time saver, and for the most part, it works flawlessly. However, when you have a number of cameras and audio recorders to sync, it pays to follow some very basic setups. At least you will save time in the processing, and the worst may even save having to revert to some manual corrections in the sync. In fact, the whole process could turn out to take a lot less time than if you did not make these settings. I'm Bruce Macbryde, and these fast and easy Final Cut videos are intended to quickly explain a single subject in as short a time as possible. I can provide one-on-one personal tuition over the internet. Click the link in the description below. And if you've not done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell. These are the steps in the exact order that you should proceed. The first step is keywords. Add all of the clips you want to multicam from all cameras and audio recorders into one keyword collection. Select the key at the top of your screen and you'll have a new keyword selection. You could also use Command K. And here we'll type in the name of what we want this keyword to be called. Close that off now, and if you notice over here, you can see that that keyword has been added into the index on the left-hand side. And now select all of the clips from the different cameras that you want to go into that keyword selection. Select one clip, and with your Command key down, select other clips that you want to get in that grouping. Don't be too worried about getting too many at the same time. You can simply drag those now into the Ceremony 2 listing, and if you call that listing now, you can see the ones that you've selected, and then you can continue to select other ones. And depending on how organized you were when you imported, you may already have your clips in the keywords now for camera 1, camera 2, and the gimbal. The next step is to give each of these camera groupings a unique name, and that is the camera 2 clip. So we'll select that one by itself and move over here to the eye, and you'll see here under camera name we can type in cam 2. And if we look at these clips, the clip 0037, 38, etc., we can select those again with the Command key down. And these are all camera 1, and if we look over here, it's already called camera 1. And if we now select the gimbal clips with the Command key down and look over here, give that the name gimbal. And don't forget to also do your audio clips. So if we select the pulpit here, we need to type in pulpit, and the general church recording, type in church for the camera name there. Now that all the cameras have been named in this keyword, select all of the clips in the keyword. So you can do that by dragging around them, or you could select Command A and that will select all of the clips. Now right click on these and select New Multicam Clip, and we'll give that a name. And as we move down now, make sure that the Use Audio for Synchronization is turned on. And this is the key that we were looking at before. The camera angle should be camera name. What this will mean is that each camera will get a separate track in the multicam. Then select the video resolution that you want. And other than that, keep these the same. Click OK. And once the multicam has been created, you can then double click that, and it will show in your timeline. And if you'd like to know how to edit a multicam, then click the eye above and go to that tutorial. And if you've not done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell.